Well, good morning, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings to each one of you. My name is Kumar, and I am the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in TrioTech. And I'm also a director for TrioTech Software Trainings. So before starting the session for today, can any one of you please do confirm? Am I audible to every one of you?
Yes.
Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
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 Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks for
Yes.
confirming. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. So, yeah, thank you, Vardhan, and thank you, Durga, as well. So, let us start the session for today. Again, a warm welcome to every one of you for the demo on Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications today at TrioTech Software Trainings. So as I mentioned to you, my name is Kumar and I will be the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in TrioTech team. So before starting the session for today, let me tell you something which is important. See, we have kept everyone in mute for today's session. The reason behind that is, as it is a demo session today, we kept everyone in mute. Why? Because today in this session, we have mix of participants join. I mean to say, we have people from different backgrounds join the session today. Some are freshers who are college passed out recently, or who are currently in their final year of their studies, might be into different educational backgrounds. They might be into final year, and now they are planning to learn a good technology in the market which is having very good demand for them and which will be a right choice for their career. We have such kind of people join the call today, freshers or the college passed out grads and all. And equally, we also have the participants who came from non-IT backgrounds. Prior to this, you people might be currently working in different non-IT backgrounds, like different other domain experiences you might have. Many of you from HR backgrounds, you might be working as a recruiters or a talent acquisition specialist or a staffing recruiters. Okay. Or you might be into sales, marketing, BPO, customer support. You are into some financial background related jobs into banking, insurances, investment bankings, different sort of non-IT experiences you might be having, and now you are planning to start your career transition to IT industry, to have a good career ahead, to have a good package from the current salaries that what you are drawing. You might be in a plan to move to IT and you join today's demo session for that matter. And we also have people who are completely having a career breaks, might be after their studies, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years of career breaks you might have because of your personal reasons. And now you want to restart your career. You want to give a try that we can, or you can move to IT or not. We have that kind of people also there, and many working, many housewives or the homemakers are there in the session also today, who having a long career breaks after their maternities and all. Now they want to restart their career in IT industry. And also we have people who are already working in IT industry in different other technologies, but their current applications or the technologies might be saturated. Now they are looking for a good technology for next 10 to 15 years to have their career in safe side, and that too with a high demand and with high packages, right? These all the are the people who joined the session today. So by taking everyone interest in mind, okay, we have kept every one of you in mute. Why? If I start taking up the questions in between the session, your question might not be relevant to another participant from his background. So I don't want to get that confused to every one of you. That is why I kept everyone in mute. But I request everyone, please jot down your questions. Please park your questions. At the end of the class, we'll have a detailed Q&A round. In that session, I'll discuss with you, each one of you today, and I will close the call. But my personal feeling is, by attending today's demo for next 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes, by end of the session, 70 to 80% of your questions that what you have in mind will be get clarified with this session only. Why? Because team, I've been interacting with several candidates every month. Whenever we have the batches, I'll be having interaction with several students who directly walked into office in Hyderabad, and they have one-to-one discussion with me or career counseling with me. I used to have such kind of experiences where people asking the questions related to their backgrounds. The very common question everyone will have in mind: Kumar, what is this Oracle HCM cloud? What is this Redwood AI? Something you kept on this PPT here. What is this technology is about? Am I suitable to learn? Or any prerequisites that I should have before learning this technology? Or Kumar, I came from a non-IT background, or I came from a non-technical graduation. I'm not a BTech grad, or I'm not an MCA grad, or a BSc computers grad. I came from an arts background, pharma background, or I came from a life sciences background. It could be anything, right? So am I eligible to learn this technology, and can I move to IT with this, right? Or what will be the career in this domain for next 10, 15 years, where we can see ourselves? What sort of packages we have? Freshers, do we have calls in this technology or not? These are the typical questions generally people will have in mind, right? And you also, many of you have this team. I'm going to address all of these questions with this session only. So I request everyone, please be mute. Already we kept everyone in mute. For next 1 hour, I request everyone, please attend the session with utmost focus. Then you can able to understand what is this technology, how better this in the market, and how good this is for you to choose as a career in IT industry. And the most important concern every single person will have in mind: everyone hesitate towards coding, right? Every one of us will have that problem. We are not from a technical background. We don't know any technical languages, because I know the instance people come and meet me, sir, I don't know any coding. I even can't understand what is SQL. I attended once one class in YouTube or something. I didn't even understanding what they are saying in SQL or PLSQL, Java, Python. So I want a technology where, without any of these prerequisites, to be learning to learn this course, right? That is what people will have the question team. So today I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job, even as a beginner, with zero coding knowledge and with the non-IT experiences. That is Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. What is the technology? Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. HCM stands for Human Capital Management. Okay. So our technology name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So this is completely zero coding application. You no need to have any sort of prerequisites to learn this program. So you don't need to learn Java, Python, or any other query languages or coding related languages to learn this program. It's completely, when I use a word completely, it's zero, not 5%, 10% team. completely zero coding application and with non-IT experiences. People from any background, any stream can learn this technology. And the best part with this program will be, team, companies are not looking at your educational backgrounds. I mean to say, you are from BTech means then only we will recruit you, or you are from MCA or computer science related backgrounds only we will recruit you. We don't have that scenario in this technology. Any background, you might come from BTech, BSc, BBA, BCom, MCom, any background team. Companies recruiting people in this technology if you have relevant knowledge in this domain. I'm not telling this word just like that. We have many testimonials. Many of our students have been passed through or placed in different companies from different educational backgrounds as well. So we are going to learn one such technology in the market which is completely zero coding and with any non-IT experiences or any non-technical backgrounds that you might have, that which you can start your career in. That is Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. Redwood UI are the concepts that newly came in this technology that you will understand in the due course of time. Right? So, before starting today's agenda, what we are going to see in today's session, team, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, what experience that I have in this technology or in the training. Let me briefly explain 2 minutes about myself, team. So as many of you aware of or might be already known about me because you've been coming and interacting in the office, or you might be hearing from your references and all, team. And also, as I mentioned, my name is Kumar and I'm the director for TrioTech software trainings in Hyderabad, and I'm also a lead trainer in Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications at TrioTech. Coming to my professional experience with this technology, I'm a Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 15 plus. By this October, I'm going to complete my 16th year as well. Overall 15 plus, close to 16 years of experience, in which last 12 plus years I'm into this IT consulting. So I'm having total 15 plus years of experience, and out of that, last 12 plus years I'm into IT consulting. And from last 9 years, I'm closely working in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. And coming to my project experience, I worked for close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects in this technology, covering multiple clients from multiple regions. I worked for the clients from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, and currently also I'm working as a solution architect in one of the project where that is a global MNC client. I'm working as a solution architect where 25 resources are working in my team, and I'm leading that team as a chief architect for that implementation and the rollout project team. This is my professional experience. A part of this, coming to my training experience, as I established TrioTech in 2015 in Hyderabad, every month we train candidates exclusively in Oracle HCM Cloud. So it's been 10 years we started TrioTech, and since then we train thousands of students exclusively in Oracle Fusion Technologies team. We deal with only Oracle Fusion applications training, not anything else. And coming to the corporate trainings, 25 plus corporate trainings I have successfully completed by last month. So last month also we have completed the training with American Express. Like when I say corporate trainings, companies will be reaching out to us for their internal employee trainings. Along with the regular trainings that happens in TrioTech every month, I also conduct corporate trainings as well, team. And I'm also a registered trainer with Oracle University, where I conducted couple of trainings in Oracle University as well. And I'm a certified implementation specialist. I got certification in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud for all the modules in this technology. And I am an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, E&Y employee. Currently also, we are doing the projects under our TrioTech software trainings, and we also have an IT firm by name Triospace Business Solutions Private Limited. So under that, we are doing the rollout implementation projects for the US client currently. So this is about my professional experience. Why I told you this means before you learning a technology, you should know about your trainer, what he is, what experience that he hails, right? So that is the reason I introduce it to you about myself, team. And also to have a quick introduction about TrioTech software trainings. So we can say proudly that we are one of the leading training institutes in Hyderabad where we conduct exclusively Oracle Fusion application trainings since 2015. And we have an office premise in Hyderabad near Forum Mall in KPHB 9th phase. If anyone want to come down to the office every day for practice or anything to discuss, you can please walk into the office as well, team. And we trained over 20,000 students from the last 10 years in different technologies under Oracle Fusion banner. And more than 1,000 plus batches with 40 plus instructors and 99% of success rate we've been seeing in the candidates team. And these are some of the corporate training partners that we are officially partnered with. DHL, very well known courier service company that we know, team. Herbalife Nutrition, Amway, Kuwait Finance House from Kuwait, Seraco from Saudi, then American Express, then we have Trinocat, Techem. These are our corporate partners where we conducted several trainings in them. And few of them also recruited our trained students as well in their current projects in their company's team. So this is about introduction to TrioTech. And we also have a large Oracle Fusion cloud community in our YouTube as well, team. So we recently completed with our 100K subscribers. We are close to 125K subscribers, team. And rigorously we post all the content related to Oracle Fusion applications. So you can also follow us in our YouTube channel to find out our content about Oracle HCM cloud or financials, any other technology. So this is my team. We in the Hyderabad office team. So you can able to find that. Now, let me go for today's agenda. Why we connected today? What we are going to discuss in today's session. Let me walk through the agenda for today. Okay. First of all, I'm going to introduce to you the concept of ERP. Okay. Many of you who are already having experiences in IT, you might came from a EBS background, PeopleSoft background. You might aware of what is ERP and all. But freshers, non-IT people, you don't know what is this concept team because our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application comes under ERP family team. This is a category in the software industry where different applications are under that team. First, I will introduce to you the concept of ERP. What is ERP? Why we have them in the market. Then I will introduce to you what is Oracle Fusion application. What is this technology is about? Who will use this? For what purpose companies will use it? And I will also introduce to you Fusion applications evaluation overview. We are in 2025. Today is 29th September 2025, Monday. But when Oracle introduced this technology in the market, what is the background, history prior to Oracle Fusion? What are the applications that Oracle owning? The entire background of the Fusion application I will introduce to you here. Then I will introduce to you types of companies involved. See, any software technology you learn, it might be Oracle Fusion HCM, it might be AWS, DevOps, anything you might learn. Typically, three types of companies involved in the usability of the technology. Here I am going to introduce to you who is called as a vendor, who is called as a client or the customer, and who is the implementation partner. Because in the IT industry, the most common word you will be hearing from your friend who is working in IT, from your colleague, family members, whoever team, frequently they will be using the word, hey, my client is like that, my client is like this, my client is very tough, or like that team. What is the word client? Client means who. And once you learn this technology, in what sort of companies you will be recruited, what you will do, that I will tell you in types of companies involved. And then, team, we'll talk about Fusion environment releases. Like every other software, how our mobile phones will have the software versions, team. In Apple, we have software versions, iOS 10 to iOS 15, iOS 15 to iOS 18. How the software versions will upgrade. In Fusion also we have the environmental releases. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. So what is that? What will happen every time when Oracle upgrade the application? What we have to do during that time? That all we will discuss here, team. And then I will introduce to you the most important thing, modules in this Oracle HCM cloud. Because some of you who already know about this technology, team, because you might referred by some of your uncle, aunt, or from family, friend, someone told you to learn this course. And many of you have a doubt. Kumar, we have functional and we have technical in this training. What comes under functional? What comes under technical? And what we have to learn? So, I am going to introduce to you here the entire modules in this technology. What is functional, what is technical. Redwood and AI are the concepts that newly came in this technology. Our training will be covering these two aspects also. That is why I highlighted them in red color here. And then I will talk about, team, career opportunities in Oracle HCM Cloud, how the market is, what sort of packages companies are offering. That all I will discuss with you. And then I will introduce with you Oracle Knowledge Repository. Anyhow, we are going to provide you the materials for every topic that we covering in this training. But on top of that, if you want to access Oracle documentation, where we have to go in the internet and where we can find standard Oracle materials for this program, I'll let you know here, team. And then I will talk about certification process, because some of the students asking me, Kumar, certification do we have to do to get the job in this technology? What is the process to that? How much we have to pay for that? Oracle charging? There are many questions in mind. First of all, is it really required or not? From there I will start, team, and I will explain you what is this. And finally, we'll conclude the session today with why TrioTech, what services you are going to get as part of this particular training program from TrioTech, training and the placement assistance, how it is going to work, and the timings of the program. From tomorrow, the classes are going to start. Today is demo. The timings, what benefits you will get, and why Kumar as your trainer. This we will discuss and we'll move to Q&A, team. So this is the structured demo for today. So now I request everyone, the intro part, everything is done. Now we are going to start with our concept for today's demo session team. So I request everyone, please be very concentrated for next 1 hour team. I'm telling you upfront, today is a demo. Slightly, we will be extending the session for half an hour team. But from tomorrow, sessions will be strictly 7 to 8. By 7 o'clock, sharp session will start. And by 8, the session will conclude team. But today is a demo. You can expect slight extension to cover all the topics team. But I request everyone, please be on the session. At the end of the class, I'm going to explain you about the services, about this training program that you are going to get from our side. And also every one of you have a festival offer for the program enrollment team. Okay, that I'll let you know at the end of the class. So please be concentrated because you are going to choose this as your career. So how good this technology, how it is better to you, or first of all, you can learn this technology or not. These all things you have to self-evaluate with this session team. So if you are scrolling your Instagram stories or Facebook or YouTube, put aside. Next 1 hour with utmost focus, please attend the session. And our admin team dropping a message in the Zoom chat. Everyone, please find out team in the Zoom chat. We sent a Google form. Please fill that Google form for the attendance to take. After the session, if you fill that form only, we can able to reach out to you for the registrations team. So I request everyone, click on that Google form, fill the form to get your details to us team. Right? Done. Now let's get into the real topic for today. First of all, introduction to ERP. What is this introduction to ERP? What do you mean by ERP team? But much before that, let us talk about the audiences. You, first of all, for whom this technology is for. Just you can read this slide team. If you fall in any of these criteria, very clearly I mentioned team, your question should get addressed here. For whom this course is for? If you are in your final year of degree, you want to start a good technology in the market and you want to start your career in that, then this course is for you. Or if you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, which technology to choose your career, you are absolutely eligible to learn this course. Or if you are working in non-IT or other background stream with a boring, unstable, less salaries job, now you want to transition your career into IT with a good packages and all team, then you are absolutely eligible to learn. If you have an aspiration in the next 4 to 5 years, if you want to be in the salary bracket of 25 to 45 LPA per annum, then you are eligible to learn this course. In a simple, to conclude this in a nutshell, people from any degree, any background, this point having very high weightage. Just this one point will equal to all these things. What is that? People from any degree, any background. Never mind. Anyone can learn this program and can start your career in this domain. As I told you clearly, there are no prerequisites to learn. Come with a blank mind. Sit in the class. From the scratch, from the fundamentals, you will be getting into Excel level team. So it's a completely zero coding, not a low code, completely zero coding application we have in the market. So if you fall in any of these criteria, absolutely you can learn this technology and you can start your career team. Now, introduction to ERP. ERP, the acronym stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Means what, team? It's a business process management software that manage and integrate all company functionalities team. It means in a very simple understanding, I will tell you. You take any organization in the market as an example. You take Reliance Industries, Tata Group, L&T, Apple, Amazon, Flipkart, Google, any of your choice, you take it as an example team. Or if your father running a company or your uncle running a company, any company in the market, you take an example. In every company, different business activities are involved. So in every organization, there will be human resource department or the human resource wing. So these people will be responsible for all the recruitment of employees in the organization, their leaves every month maintaining, their attendance maintaining, their salary processing, their appraisals, everything HR department people in any company will handle. Then every company will also have the financial department team. So to have all the financial transactions happening in the organizations to maintain, finance department will be there. Then if it is a manufacturing company, supply chain, procurement, business activities also involved, procuring the raw materials, then developing the product or the service, then selling it to the market, supply chain procurement. Then we have marketing department in the company. In every organization, different business activities are involved with team. In order to conduct all these day-to-day business activities across all these departments or business areas team, every company require a modular tech-based software application. For example, you take team, our human resources, because our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management Cloud, HR related software application. So you take HR business activity in every company. As I mentioned, from recruiting the employee, maintaining the employee, their salaries, their appraisals, from hire to retire of the employee, HRs in the organization will maintain team. So in order to maintain all these activities team, they require a software application in the company. You might ask me, Kumar, how in the traditional days people used to do? Obviously, before technology intervention in the market, before 1980 something, traditional way was manual. They used to maintain in the books or in the Word or Excel how many people working in their company. Every day they used to take the attendance, who is present, who is absent. Then every month they used to pay salaries through cash or something, and they used to write down in the books, account books they used to maintain team. However, grandfathers or grandmothers in their generation, how they have operated all these things team manually. In the books they used to write. We used to have bundles of account books, right? But with the technology intervention into the market in 1980s early, okay, many tech-based software applications are being came in the market team. So ERP is a category, is a family. Under ERP, we have different business applications that are available in the market team. One such product offered by Oracle is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications. Under that, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is a software or an application where in any organization, in order to conduct the day-to-day HR activities, companies will be using team. Few of the other ERPs in the market I listed. SAP you take, Salesforce, Northgate, Pegasus, and are very well owned Indian ERP nowadays giving a toughest competition to many of them, Zoho. So these all are the different ERP products team. ERP is a category. Under that, different products are available in the market. So any company, in order to conduct their day-to-day business operations, they require a modular tech-based software applications team. They are called as ERP applications in the market. So we are going to learn one such technology in the market where every company will be using in their day-to-day HR activities, that is Oracle Fusion Human Capital Management Cloud. Now immediately some of my HR friends will get a doubt. Are Kumar, we are already working as a HRs, or even other people also will have a question in mind immediately. Kumar, you are telling that after all this time, again you are teaching us the HR subject and we have to start working as a HRs in the company. Obviously, the salaries for that profile is very low. Many people from HR backgrounds only will move to IT or other technologies. Why you are telling to learn HR now? Please don't misunderstand here. This is a HR related software application. You are not going to work as HRs in the organization or recruiters in the organization after learning this program. This is a HR related application. In this technology, you will be working as a consultants, IT employees, software engineers in so-called software companies in the market. We have TechM, Infosys, Deloitte, any company you name it, team. Okay, don't get confused there. Why I am telling this more particularly is few of the students when I'm interacting, they are having this concern with them. Sir, is it a HR course? Am I going to start as a HR in my career? Absolutely no. This is a technology related to that business area, not a traditional HR role you are going to work. You are going to work as a softwares in the IT industry after learning this program, team. So this is a short intro about ERP concept in the market. Then what is Oracle HCM Cloud? So as I told you, in every organization, team, when we see HR activities, all these are all the HR activities, team. HR will recruit the employee, they will hire the employee, and they will onboard the employee. And then HR is responsible of their leave management, their absences, everything. And then their time, their attendance management, their pay and benefits, salary management, their compensation, and every year their performance appraisals from hiring to retiring of the employee in the company team. Everything HRs in the organization will do. As I told you, in order to conduct all these business operations, companies require this Oracle HCM cloud applications team. So as I mentioned already, this is a HR related software application available in the market, and any company when they buy the product from Oracle, they will be using in their day-to-day HR activities to perform team, right? So this is about intro to application. And as I told you, these applications are used in their day-to-day business activities team. Whatever the recession comes in, whatever the economical crunches comes in, any impact, okay, any bubble might burst in the IT industry, ERP applications are very stable. You can confirm it from anywhere. I'm passing this statement very proudly. People who working in the ERP technologies are on the safer hands always. No recession impact will hit this jobs team. Why? Because this technology will be used in their day-to-day functionalities. They can't stop it. Without this technology, they can't run the company in their day-to-day also team. So these are the basis, fundamental technologies which companies will be using in their organizations in their day-to-day life. So any impact we see, 2009 we have seen, now we are seeing the impact in the market everywhere, recession. You might be hearing from news channels, in social media, everywhere. Or there is an impact where the US or something other countries impact is in India, jobs people are losing, or TCS laid off 10,000 employees, or Cognizant laid off 5,000 employees. Like that you might hearing the things here. But anyone working in ERP, I'm not telling Oracle. It might be SAP, Oracle, Workday, Salesforce, any ERPs in the market you take. People who working in this ERP technologies will be on the safer hands. Your jobs will not be on the sack until unless you are not proven worth in the company. If the company feel you are a burden to them, your performance is not good, then they might remove you. Or else lack of demand, no projects, recession impact. So we have to reduce the manpower. AI coming nowadays, a mammoth in the market. AI coming, people losing their jobs. But every technology AI cannot replace. These are the basic fundamental technologies where humans are needed to handle this thing. So definitely it's a non-heated AI tool. No AI can replace work in this technology. In fact, we are already using AI for several enhancements within this application team. So this is one of the finest and the safest high demanded tools in the market we have team. This is about Oracle HCM Cloud. Now by this time, you people understood what is ERP, what it will do in different companies in the market, what are the different ERP products in the market we have, and what is particularly this HCM cloud application is meant for, right team? Now let us talk about evaluation path. This is also very important team. Generally, people won't tell this, but I feel personally very important. When you're learning a technology, know it from grassroots. What is its background? Why I am telling this technology is that successful and high demanded. A simple slide will give you a clear-cut knowledge about that team. See, prior to 2006, let us go back to history team. Prior to 2006, these all are the different ERP applications in the market. Oracle e-business suite, Oracle's own ERP product during that time. I'm talking about 2006. It's been almost 19 years back. I'm talking about thing. Oracle e-business suite was the application owned by Oracle during that time. PeopleSoft was owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards World owned by JD Edwards Corporation team. Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. Prior to 2006, there was a situation that none of the ERP products in the market very stable in all the business areas. If you take PeopleSoft team, PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS business area, our human resources business area team. But PeopleSoft is not that successful in financials, supply chain, marketing, CRM area. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials business area. Siebel CRM is very good at customer relationship management, marketing and sales business area. Hyperion is very good at reporting. Oracle's own e-business suite is very good at financials business area. But none of the applications during that time was stable, matured in all the business areas team. What Oracle did in the year 2006, please focus, very important this is. In the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these existing products in the market. Anyhow, e-business suite is their own product. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, one of the best technologies during that time in the market. Oracle acquired them. That was the period one of the world's biggest acquisition happened in the market during that time in IT industry. $18 billion in the year 2006. So what Oracle did after that, Oracle taken the best of the best knowledges team. From e-business suite, Oracle taken financials knowledge in that. From PeopleSoft, HRMS knowledge. From JD Edwards, procurement knowledge. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. By taking the best knowledges from all these products, Oracle developed a new age applications that are Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. So this is going to be the future. Oracle from all these applications developed a new product and launched in the market. In the year 2011, Oracle officially announced Oracle Fusion applications into the open world. Now, immediately a question will strike to every one of you. Kumar, 2011, it's been 14 years already. We are in 2025. That old applications you are training us today and you are telling to choose this as a career. Obviously, yes. Why? In 2011, when Oracle introduced them, it's just the introduced team that they are coming up with a new applications in the market. They are Oracle Fusion Cloud, completely on a cloud-based platform team. But they are release versions, beta versions. To be frank, the actual market for Oracle Fusion started from 2016 and 2017 onwards only. So it's been last 7-8 years only the huge penetration of Oracle Fusion into the market we are seeing. Why, Kumar, Oracle Fusion is having that much of demand? People also have this question. We have SAP in the market now. My uncle working in SAP or my colleague, my friend working in SAP, and they are telling that why not SAP, why Oracle? The question might be having, or why not Workday, why Oracle? Or why not some other ERP, why we have Microsoft Dynamics or something? Or why Oracle? The biggest advantage compared to SAP, Workday, or Microsoft Dynamics or any other ERP team, this is for granted. Okay. As per the latest 2025 quadrant research papers, Oracle Fusion applications are the leading ERP softwares in the market. Oracle crossed SAP already. It's been 3 to 4 years team. Oracle crossed SAP. Oracle crossed Microsoft Dynamics. All the other ERP applications in the market. Why? What is the differentiation between them and Oracle? Why many companies in the market using this as their ERP application? The reason behind that is simple. Oracle is already having a huge market cap. How? Already EBS, they have their own customers. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, one of the topmost ERPs in the market team. Oracle insisting all these existing customers to move to Oracle Fusion. In fact, they stopped selling of these products newly in the market. Whoever are already using, Oracle just continuing the support. That too till 2032 or 2035 maximum, they told to the market they will support. They have to move to this applications team because this is a new age technology completely on a cloud. These are on premises team. Means when customers used to use these products, they used to buy the application from Oracle. Along with that, they used to buy the server from Oracle. They used to install that in their office premises. They used to install these applications into the server. Everything they used to maintain team. But now everything is maintaining over the cloud. You don't believe how Oracle Fusion application you can access, just go to the internet. Just go to the internet. This is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Just go to internet, pass the URL. This is the cloud application. Just go to Google, pass that URL. It will prompt you to sign in team, Oracle Cloud. Username, password you have to give and sign in. My screen is loading. Now see, application loaded. This is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application UI team. Did I install this software in my laptop? Did I run any software in my laptop to start the application? Am I maintaining any server? Nothing. I sat in my office now today. I just opened my Chrome. I just given there and then I able to log into the application. Cloud-based technology means this one. Software that is hosted over the internet. You don't need to install anywhere. You don't need to maintain anything. Team. So that's the reason all these customers of Oracle moving to Oracle Fusion applications team. In fact, Oracle insisting them, forcing them to upgrade to Fusion. So that is the reason a phenomenal spike in the market capturing we are seeing in Oracle Fusion. But the opportunity for us created here. Why? Companies started purchasing these products and using in their day-to-day life. but people working in this technology are not to that extent. So demand and supply, we have a very huge gap here, team. That is the reason, because of the resources crunch in the market, so-called software companies who doing the projects in this technology offering very good packages in this domain. When a person moving from company to company, a person with 10 lakh CTC, the other company offering at a stage 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs also, 100%, 120%, 150% hikes also we've been seeing to the candidates. Not for everyone who is really talented team. I mean, technology also have that scope. If you are more talented, your technology is not that demanded. What is the use? If you are worthful, you are talented, market is also ready to have that kind of packages offered to your team. So that is the reason many IT companies rigorously recruiting freshers also in this technology. So this is about Fusion evolution path, the background of the Fusion application, why Oracle became market leader compared to other technologies team, right team? Then as I mentioned to you, we are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM cloud. Under Oracle Fusion application, different products Oracle offering. This is our tool, HCM, Human Capital Management. Like that, we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Cloud, Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Procurement Cloud, PPM Cloud, different products for different business areas we have. But anyone will choose any one technology. Why I am covering this slide, some people having this question also in mind. Kumar, can I learn Oracle Fusion HCM and also financials, Kumar? Or HCM and supply chain and financials also? Some people have this also. Please don't get confused. You have to learn any one technology from it. And in your reality also, when you join the organization, not only today, your entire career, your life will be with that technology only. At any point of time, you don't need to learn another technologies in this. You are learning HCM, that is your program, that is your course, that is your technology. You will work for that only. Any one we have to choose team. This is for your reference purpose. I kept this slide. Now the most important understanding, my fresher friends or my non-IT friends, you people should know. What is this here? IT people, you already know about this. Just give me 2 minutes. I will inform this to that and we will move ahead. What is that? Types of companies involved here. What is these types of companies? Generally, we are learning this course. After this, where we will be recruited, where we will be working, and what we will be doing. See, typically, in any software applications in the market, you take as an example team, three types of companies are involved. One is service provider, client or the customer. Then third is consulting company. Who is called a service provider team? Who is selling the product? So here, this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications are owned by Oracle Corporation. Kumar, why you kept IBM, Deloitte, these are IT companies? No, I will come to that in 2 minutes, team. So service provider company is company who selling the product team. So Oracle selling this product in the market. So Oracle is the service provider. Who is called as client or the customer company? Company who purchasing the product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day life. For example, you take Reliance Industries, very well known to every one of us, Indian MNC. Reliance Industries today decided that they want to purchase Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in order to use in their day-to-day HR activities. So Reliance will reach to Oracle, Oracle will tell a price and Reliance will buy from them. So service provider selling the product, client purchased the product because they want to use in their day-to-day life. Next, the role of consulting companies will come. Now, Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle. When Reliance purchased the product from Oracle, application will come with a blank features, means with all full functionalities in the system, a blank application will come. Reliance want someone to configure the application according to their requirement in the day to day, with all their data, with all their functionalities, how they expecting team. Reliance needs someone to configure their system. So because these ERP applications are not a self-understandable or self-usable team. If you open your Instagram or LinkedIn, you can create your account, you can add your friends connection, you can chat with them, you can upload your photo. Self-understandable tools they are. But these are very big, larger than life. They cannot be self-configurable by the company when they product purchase from Oracle. So Reliance want someone to configure the application with their data and the functionalities according to their requirement. So what Reliance will do, Reliance will reach out to consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies are nothing but company who is implementing the product according to the client requirement. So-called software companies in the market. Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, you name it anything from top MNCs to startup consulting companies team. So Reliance will reach, let's say Reliance reach out to Deloitte. So Reliance given project to Deloitte team. So Deloitte will implement the application according to the Reliance and they will hand over to Reliance team. Once you learn this course, you will be recruited in these consulting companies in the market, software companies in the market, Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant. So when our company receive the project from the client, we will be deployed for that from our company team and we will be configuring the client system according to their requirement and we are going to hand over. This 3 months of end-to-end training will be that implementation training team. Once you are working in this technology companies, once you deployed for the project, what you will do? Implementation means what? Configuration means what? That is only I'm going to train you for next 3 months. What you are going to do in the real time, that you are going to learn here, team. So your recruitment companies will be here. Now tell me, you are working as a traditional HRs after learning this course? No, right? You are working in software companies as a consultants, as a software engineers, or as an associate. Company to company, the titles they might differ team when they're recruiting you, the job designations and all. But your role will be this one team. So now everyone might understood client or customer means what. Okay, so client means that one team. Now example to make you clear, I have taken Reliance and Deloitte. But in your case, in whatever the company that you are working, whatever the client that your company got team, you will be working for them, right? So this is types of companies involved. Now let me introduce to you the Fusion Environment Releases team. This is also a software application. Okay, like every other software team, like you take Windows laptop, Windows 7 to Windows 9, Windows 9 to Windows 10, Windows 10 to Windows 11. Every over the period of time, the softwares will upgrade by every company team. Even the Android phone or iOS, if you take in Apple team, over the span of time, we will get the software upgradations in the system, in the mobiles team from iOS 9 to iOS 10, iOS 10 to iOS 11, now iOS 18 came. We have different software versions upgrades in the mobile also. Every time when an upgrade happens, what happens? We will get some new enhancements in the system. I don't know how many of you realize it, team. Recently, iOS 18 or something came. The entire iPhone look and feel got changed, right? Now everyone having that glossy look coming up everywhere. And some new functionalities might be added up, team. So it's an enhancement to the current version, team. In Fusion application also, we have that. So let us talk about that release versions, team. Nowhere This will be taught to you. I'm telling you very clearly. This is very important. When you're learning the technology, these all basics or fundamentals are very much needed to learn team. So let us understand the environment release policy of Oracle team. I told you Oracle introduced these applications in the year 2011, correct? So in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced this product in the market, what is the version they came up, R1. They came up with a version release 1. Okay. Since then, it got evolved. And now we are in 2025. As of today, the latest version of the Fusion HCM cloud applications is release 13 team, R13. Actually, by 2017, end of 2017 and early 2018 only, we reached to R13. But Oracle made R13 as a static release name for Fusion application. Okay. So R13 is the release version team. Now, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy for their application team. What is that? Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy for their applications team. What do you mean by quarterly upgradation policy? Every three months. Quarter means what team in our financial terminology or mathematics terminology? Quarter means every 3 months is a quarter. So 12 months in the year we have Jan to December divided by quarter. If you see 3 months team, 4 quarters we have in the year. So yearly 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. So Oracle categorized each quarter like this: Jan to March, quarter 1, April, May, June, quarter 2, July, August, September, quarter 3, October, November, December, okay, quarter 4. So these 4 quarters team, Oracle categorized. Generally, this is our mathematical or financial way also team. Okay. And every three months, once Oracle will upgrade their application. Why? Because Oracle to be more competitive in the market. The reason behind why Oracle crossed SAP and captured high market everywhere in US area, if you take Middle East market, you take now in Asian region, in India also, Oracle acquired many corporates or many companies where these applications are being used team. The reason behind that is to be more competitive in the market. Oracle continuously tried to enhance their application timely team. So every time to time, they want to enhance their application. Every time some new features they are going to add on in the system. Any old features which are not in use, Oracle will remove them. And any bugs, any errors are there in the system in the previous upgrade, that fixes Oracle will do. So phenomenal changes we cannot expect, but incremental changes we can see team. So in the day-to-day life, if you update, you will be in the competition. If you are not updating, you are still in the old versions only, you will be out of the competition. It's application and it's we as a human beings also. Right? Agree with me? If you upgrade yourself over the timely periods, then you will be in the race, or else you will be losing the race team. So when you learning this technology also, you have to keep yourself updated with the latest trends happening in the market. Okay, so that's a different story. So here Oracle will be following the quarterly upgradation policy. Every 3 months they will upgrade their application. During this time, a new features, new enhancements, everything Oracle will brings in. So what is the current version today, as of today, September 29, 2025, Monday? What is the latest version? And I will tell you from that team how the versioning sequence Oracle will follow every quarter. So now I came to the system. In tomorrow's session, I will introduce to you team how to log in, how to access the Fusion application, user creation, then what are all these functionalities, these all tomorrow I will tell you. Now, after logging in, if you want to check out team, what is the latest version of this application? Click on the right side settings and action here. Okay. Then we have under troubleshooting at the end, we have team about this application. Under settings and action, come to about this application and click on. A pop-up will come. So this is the latest version of our Fusion cloud applications. 25C. Kumar, you told it is R13, no? What is 25C? Yes, it's R13 only. See everywhere. Application Development Frame, REL13. Middleware extension, REL13. Database compatibility, REL13. It's release 13, 25C. What is that team? The current latest version is R1325C. What is R13 here? What is 25C, Kumar? I'll tell you. Oracle naming each quarter with the alphabets A, B, C, and D. 4 quarters as A, B, C, D, alphabets team. 25 stands for the financial year we are in. 25. Okay. And the current version is 25C. Why 25C team here? We are in which month now? We are in the month of September. We are in the month of September. September comes in which quarter? July, August, September. Third quarter in the year. So we are in the third quarterly upgrade of this year team. 25C. Next month, within your training period only, in the next 2 days, we are going to enter October team. In the October month, we will receive new upgrade. Then the version sequence will change to 25D. And the past April, May, June, the version name was 25B. Your previous batches when they started team. Then 25A. Next year, 2026, right? So it will go with these names 26A, 26B, 26C, 26D. Every year, 4 quarterly upgrades, Oracle will upgrade their system. And the sequencing, Oracle will follow the numbering like this team. In which quarterly upgrade we are, the which year. Okay. What is this 11 point, 13 point, then this one, Kumar? This one, okay, we understood. This is the quarter and this is the year we are in. What is this? 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced this application in the market. 13 stands for the release version 13. It's R13, right? 13. 25 stands for 2025, the financial year. 07, what is that team? We are in 25C release now. In 25C, third quarter, first month is what? July. July means what? In numbering, 7th month. 07 is that. Then 0 is common static. Every one of you, you can take a note of it. Next month, when our application is going to upgrade team, the sequence will come like this: 25D, 11 point, 13 point, 25 point in the fourth quarter, first month. October is what team? 10th month, right? 25 point, 10.0 it will come. Take the screenshot of it. Ask me next month. Kumar, if this is not a sequence, you ask me team. So every quarterly upgrade, the sequence numbering Oracle will follow with this pattern. So quarterly upgradation policy Oracle will provide to their system team. As a consultant working in this domain, I suggest every of my students personally, if application is growing, you should also grow along with the application team. Every 3 months, hardly half an hour, you have to spend some time to know in this new upgrade what features Oracle brings in each module. Half an hour, not more than that team. Kumar, where we can find that, I'll introduce to you in the next topic team in the Oracle Knowledge Repository. every quarterly upgrade team in the projects when we are working in real time, we have to do certain activities also in the project. What new features Oracle bringing in each module? We have to prepare impact analysis document and we have to present to the client and we have to inform these features Oracle bringing in. Our existing functionalities don't have any impact, but this new feature might helpful to you in this process. We can think about it. Like that, we have to guide them team. And also every time Oracle will give a date on some weekend. Oracle will tell from this release to next release we are upgrading the system. So during that time certain activities will be involved with team. Pre-upgradation testings, we call them as regression testings. After upgrade we will do testings team, we call them as post upgrade testing, impact analysis testing, sanitary checks. All these terminologies I will make you comfortable, don't worry. They are too early team. If I talk about all these things, you won't understand. I have a systematic plan approach. I'm going to introduce to you with some real-time project implementation workshops. In real time, if you are working in a project, what you will do. Because I know, though it is recording, off the record, I want to pass a statement. Some of the people might be showcasing some experiences and you might be trying team. Hope you understood what I'm trying to tell. But you really didn't work on this technology. How you can project yourself? If a realistic question comes to you, some few questions will come to him in the interviews. Something like, tell me what are your day-to-day activities in the office? What you will do in the office after going? Or currently in which phase your project is in? Or how many people are working in your project? Huh? Or what you will do in CRP1 stage? These all are realistic process oriented questions, not subject. Subject anyhow I will train you, you will get the knowledge team. But these are all what? The real day-to-day happening things in your life if you are really working means. If these questions comes in, you really didn't work on, but you are showcasing in the resume that you are having relevant experience last 3 4 years and now you are moving, then how? That is the reason I'm going to conduct some placement workshops in the training. During that time, I'm going to give you a realistic experience of how in the real time implementation will go, starting from drafting the plan to the client, kickoff meeting where our team and client team will have introduction with formal tea party or whatever it is team. We have some protocols. From there onwards, as is study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, end user training, go live. In different phases, what we do, what documents, RD50, BP80, CV10, DO70, BR100, core configuration workbook, what we will do in real-time project, that I'm going to tell you. During this time, implementation project means what? How many people will involved in the project? How we will communicate with the client every day through email, through video. During that time, what we will do in implementation projects, what we will do in support projects, what is tickets, P1 means what, P2 means what, testing means what. I'm going to tell you, team. This is one of the finest sessions in the entire training. I'll tell you a very practical testimonial we have, team. Recently in the YouTube channel, I uploaded one of the student success story by name this Rajiv, two offers he got team. He particularly mentioned, you can also watch in this recording his testimonial over there. He particularly mentioned about this session. Whatever that happened in the workshop session, we got many questions from that interview because these all are practical things that not come from subject. What happens in the day-to-day life, how you will interact with the client, how you will speak with the client, that all will be covered in the session team. During this time, I am going to introduce to you during quarterly upgrades what activities we have to do in the project. Because in the interview, sometime you might get a question related to this also. Acha, tell me, whenever the upgrade happen, what you will do in the project? What will be as an implementation consultant, your role in the project? So this I will cover during that time. But as of now, as we are at the very beginning in the demo only, I want everyone to know about the release versions and how Oracle upgrading their system every quarterly. To this level, be clear. Next things, leave it with me. I'll cover when the topic comes in place. Okay. Now, after this environment releases and all team, let us talk the most important modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Our next topic to understand. Because many of you having this question in mind. Kumar sir, we have confusion. What is functional and what is technical? What we have to learn. Okay. So team, as I told you, today's session slightly getting extended because we are going much detailed about that. Please be on the session for next 15 minutes. We'll maximum try to conclude team. Okay. So at the end of the session, I'll be sharing the program details on all. From tomorrow, the classes are going to start. I'll let you know. So let us talk about modules in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. What all topics we have in this technology? What all topics we have team? Modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Okay. Let me list down team. First of all, what we have? We have something called core HR or global HR. We call it as core human resource or global human resource. And then we have absence management module, right team? And then we have payroll management module. And then we have talent management module. In talent management, we have team profiles, talent review, goals management, succession management, like that. And then we have team compensation, okay, compensation and benefits module, okay. And then we have uh, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have Oracle Learning Cloud. And also we have team some advanced topics like HCM, Communicate or Help Desk or Safety. Like that we have some advanced modules also team. These are the modules that we have in the Fusion application. A part of this, we also have some additional topics in the system. What are they? We have something like team security administration. Okay. Then we have something like workflows and approvals. Then we have something like sandbox. Okay. Customizations and personalizations team. Okay. And then we have something like inbound integrations. Here we have two data loading tools, HCM data loader and spreadsheet data loader, HDL and spreadsheet team. Then we have the concepts like outbound integration, outbound integration. Here we have the reporting tools like BI reports, OTBI reports, and HCM extracts. And then team, we have one common concept across the system, fast formulas. Okay. So in the entire Fusion HCM cloud, these all are the concepts or the modules we have. Nothing I left out team. Okay. Here, what comes under functional, what comes under technical is your question. All the modules in the system, all the modules in the system will come under functional side. All modules in the system team. These things will come under technical side of the application. Here I will contradict him. As per market, every training institute in the market are following like this because in Fusion application, technical scope is very less team. But in e-business suite, prior to Oracle Fusion, we have Oracle EBS, right? Their technical scope is very high. But in Fusion, technical scope is less. I mean to say, functional person only handling the technical work also. But as a training institutes to conduct the training, functional and technical many institutes will conduct. So in technical, core technical concepts are actually only these two teams. Inbound and outbound only core technical, to be frank. So to have a curriculum size bigger, people offering these things, including the technical training in the market. But if you ask me personally, these also comes under functional aspects only. The core technical in Fusion HCM are these two, inbound integrations and outbound integrations team. Remaining all will fall in functional only. Okay. So, what are these basically? First of all, team, what we're going to see. We have different modules in place, core HR or global HR. So, in this module team, we are going to configure all our clients' organization and then employee management team, hiring of an employee, huh? The transfers, promotions, demotions, resignation of the employee, from hiring to terminating, everything related to the employee management will handled in the core HR module. Then we have absence module. In every company, different types of leaves will be provided to the employees team. So how that leaves will be provided, what are their calculations, yearly how many leaves, how employee can apply, entire leave management will handle in this module. Then payroll, salary team. Every company, every month or every week or bi-weekly, whatever the pay cycle they follow. In India, we have monthly, but in US or other countries, weekly payroll also will be their team. Every month or every week, company have to pay salaries. In the payroll module, we are going to see all that payroll processings every month team. Then we have talent management module. Every company will conduct performance appraisals every year. Managers will give the reviews or ratings, and then based upon that, their promotion, salary hikes will be decided. In this module, we are going to deal with that team. Then we have compensation and benefits. Actually, these two are two different modules, but we will call them together, compensation and benefits. So a part of salary to the employee, any allowances you want to pay, night shift allowance, bonus payment, overtime, or any shares company giving to their employees team, through compensation module, we will handle that. Then benefits we have team. In a country like US, Australia, Canada, employees will be assigned with several insurance plans team. Medical insurances, dental insurances, health insurances. Every month from employee salary, the deductions companies will do and pay to them as a premium. So that will handle in the benefits module team. Then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. So generally in every company, the recruitment will be starting with identifying the need in the business, then posting the job in different job portals, filtering the profiles, resumes, downloading them, scheduling the interviews, then selecting the candidates, releasing the offer letters, onboarding the employees into the system. Everything will handle in the ORC module, Oracle Recruiting Cloud team. Then we have OTL module, Oracle Time and Labor. Every day, employee attendance system should capture, no, company should capture, no, their punch in, punch out, biometric, swipe in, swipe out, or time sheets. Employee attendance tracking and all will handle in this OTL module in the system. Then OLC we have, Oracle Learning Cloud. See, whenever employees onboarded to the company, many of you have personal experiences also. If you have prior working experiences, whenever you onboard to any company, if it's a big company's team, generally companies will provide you some mandatory trainings to complete in the first 1 week of induction. They will provide some videos to you. They will provide the classes videos you have to go through. They will conduct the quick system-based exams. They will release the certifications and all. So within the employees in the organization, if company want to conduct any trainings and all team, Oracle Learning Cloud module is there. Then we have HCM Communicate Help Desk. It's internal ticketing tool team within the employees. If the company want to create a channel where they can communicate with each other and all, we have this Communicate Help Desk modules available team. Then security module you take. See now today, whenever I trying to log in into the Fusion system, it asked me to provide user details, user ID and password team. So who will be creating that? Whenever employee hired in the organization, this is HR application client using. So HR will hire the employee in the system. How their user accounts will be created, their passwords, access related issues and all, we will handle in security administration module team. That is module we have in the system. Then we have workflows and approval. See, generally in every module in the system, we can set up the approval flow for different transactions. Let's say client asking me, Kumar, whenever my employee apply the leave, it should go for manager approval, Kumar. Or whenever HR hiring the employee, it should go for concerned HR approval, Kumar. All that approval management will handle in this module team. Then we have sandbox. See, whenever we are working in the Fusion system, this is the standard theme we got team. Here I'm getting some vision logo coming. Some blue color theme is there here. Client saying me, Kumar, I want here my logo to come in. Or this entire background look and feel should change. Entire background white I will maintain. Then this will be in the black color I want. These icons I want to go with my custom images, Kumar. Or within any screen team, any page level customizations or anything client asking, we have sandbox in the system. Through that we can achieve customizations and personalizations team. Then we have inbound integrations concept in the system. Like any data that you want to bulk upload into the Fusion system, Oracle given HDL and spreadsheet data loaders. So what data that all, when we come to the topic, I will tell you. Just I'm giving a brief intro about each topics we have in the system. Then we have outbound integration. Any data from the system, from any module client want to extract. Let's say today my client asking me, Kumar, I want to get a report from the system. In the month of September, how many employees applied sick leave? Or Kumar, in the month of September, how many people hired in my Hyderabad location office? So from the Fusion system across the modules, any data client want, BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extract, three reporting tools Oracle given in the system. That is outbound integration. From Fusion system, the data we are extracting, outbounding. Inbounding means from outside into the Fusion system, the data we are inbounding. Then we have team fast formula, the most important in HCM. In absence, in payroll, in compensation, in several modules team for a different validations, for a different calculations, fast formula concept we have team. So these are the total concepts we have in Oracle HCM cloud applications team. These comes under functional, these comes under technical. Now the important question, Kumar, to learn this course, to start this program, do I require any coding languages or anything team? Like SQL, PLSQL, Java, Python? I told you no. Absolutely no only. In the BI reports, only in this part, we require SQL knowledge team. Only in this part, we have SQL knowledge required because the database we have to retrieve by writing a query. But the immediate question, so you are telling that we have to learn this now? Absolutely no. I'm telling you only in this one area we have SQL requirement. If you are not comfortable with SQL, don't learn it, don't touch this one because whoever the people working in the market in this technology who might draw currently 35-45 lakhs packages also will not have knowledge on all the aspects team. We have to choose 3 to 4 modules from functional and 3 to 4 modules from technical. They are far sufficient. What are they? How to focus? What to keep in the resume? During our placement workshop session on interview preparation and all I will tell you. So, no, this is very important point everyone to be clear enough. No one will work on all the aspects team. As a trainers, that's a different story. Out of my business, that is my livelihood, right? I have to train anything. So on a passion, on a requirement, trainers, we might be learning all the modules, we might have the knowledge in all of them. But people who working in this technology in the market will not work on all the aspects team. When you're in the project, your manager will ask you in which all areas you are sound, which all areas you are comfortable. He will map you for that team generally. But if project insists you to learn something additionally, that's a different story. But generally 3-4 modules from functional, 3-4 modules from technical, you have to keep them in the resume. What are they? That we will discuss team. So BIP reports part you can ignore, you don't need to keep in the resume, but this will be covered in the training. SQL we cannot cover because that's a different concept all the way around. That's a different courses offered in the market team. So this part happily we can ignore in the resume. We don't need to keep that one team. So except that, remaining all completely zero. Fast formulas people might ask, Kumar, this is also technical. No, I don't say it's technical team. It's a combination of English and mathematical statements. Without having SQL knowledge also, you can learn fast formula. That'll make your work easy. Very detailed material, very fundamental. I'll train you, not an issue on that team. So this is entire concepts we have in HCM Club. Now, what sort of roles in the market in this technology recruiting? Kumar, we have to learn functional or we have to learn technical kind of roles if you talk team. This is very important again point to be noted. Nani, I will come to you. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Roles. Still now, okay, till now, as we're in 2025 September, till now, market clearly recruiting functional consultants separately, okay, functional consultants separately, and now you decide after this team whether you have to learn functional or technical what. Technical consultants separately, okay, and then the most demanded techno-functional consultants team, okay. Three types of roles in the market, the recruitments are happening. Functional, technical, techno-functional. Functional means person will work purely on these modules team. Out of them, whatever that he have knowledge, 3-4 modules, whatever he keep in resume, purely on the modules configuration he will work on. Technical consultant will purely work on these two aspects, data loaders and the reports team. But in a real-time projects, if you ask me, if 10 resources are working, resources means employees team, if 10 resources are working in a project, 7 to 8 members, the weightage I'm telling, okay, 7 to 8 members will be functional consultants. 2 to 3 will be technical team, because technical what we have, data loaders and reports, that's all. So in a real-time projects, whenever you are working team, the weightage, if you see, 7 to 8 functional consultants if they are in the project, 2 to 3 technical will be their team. But now the market is very particular about techno-functional consultant. Simple. Rather than taking two people, if I take one person who have both knowledge, that would be a cost saving to the company, right? Even when you dropping your resume in the Naukri, what skill set, what high number of skill sets you are keeping in the resume matters. Even the recruiter to schedule a call for you. If you keep only one module, two module, that doesn't serve the purpose. Why I'm telling is, I don't want to name. We have 1 or 2 candidates from this demo session also today asked me this question. Sir, can I learn only core HR module and can I keep the resume? Or 1 or 2 modules only can I keep? That's what I came to know from my friend who is already working. That's absolutely wrong. Absolutely blunder it is. Because see, you think you are a owner to one company. Let's assume you want to recruit a person in your company. You are paying salary to him. If a person know 1 or 2 works, you will take him, or if he can work for 7-8 things, you will recruit him. Obviously, person with more knowledge, you will recruit you. You are paying to him. That's what you will see from in him, right? Same with the corporates also. Your resume should contain good number of skills. Then only they can recruit you. One or two concepts, if you keep and you feel that you are a trained resource in this, absolutely not. Okay. Because team, any company will have that kind of impression only. So even now the recruitments are happening, functional consultant, technical consultant. But if your profile is a techno functional consultant team, compare it to these two people, your interview will schedule first when you drop the resume in the Naukri. So this is the most happening high demanded role in the market. I will also tell to all my students, go with techno functional. Please forget your brother, your sister, your friend, whatever they are telling to you. They might tell from their knowledge. They might be working in some company. They might also have experience like you only. They might tell that. But out of my experience, if you believe me as a trainer, I'll be training many of the people and the market trends I've been observing every day. Techno functional, you have to learn. If I teach you only functional, I can complete it in within 45 days or 2 months period. That is also commercially work out to me, right? Or if I conduct only technical training, hardly 30 days I can complete the program. But why we are very particular, we always stood by our students team. What requires in the market, I will be updating my curriculum accordingly. Earlier, I used to also conduct training like that only 3 4 years back. Functional completely separate, technical completely separate like that. But no, it's not working. Market is very particular with techno functional. Every one of you have to learn techno functional. Now, as part of this training program, we are also offering that only team. Okay, techno functional training. What all concepts we are covering in this program? Let me highlight them. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and comp. Benefits we are not covering here. Till comp, we are covering team. Okay. And we have security, workflows, sandbox, inbound, outbound, fast formula. These all also will be covered as part of the training team. ORC, benefits, OTL, OLC is not part of this program team because by this time only 3 months of very tight schedule, I have to give you the training. Again, these modules we cannot able to link up in this program. As part of this training program team, we will be offering these modules in the system. Techno functional, this training is going to be. So these modules we are going to be covering team. Now coming to the course features. Okay. What is the training period? How many days of training it will go for? And what timings we have, what benefits you have here, you can see team. This course is going to be a period for 3 months. Very important, please focus team. 3 months of training. Today demo we have done. From tomorrow, that is Tuesday, Monday, 30th September, new batch, regular classes will be starting. Starting from tomorrow, 3 months, the training is going to be happening here, team. Monday to Friday, weekends, we don't have sessions. Monday to Friday, morning 7 to 8 a.m. IST. Today I have seen people joining till 7:20, 7:30 also. I understand it's Monday and last night I know people watching the match and you might have delayed. But every day, please, I request sharp 7 o'clock you have to be in the class team. After 8:15, I have other session in line. So I request everyone, please be sharp 7 o'clock team. And many of you also have their offices to start after 8 o'clock. So 7 to 8 will be the timings, Monday to Friday. As part of this training team, 3 months of live training you will get, including that you will be getting the lifetime access to the video recording. How you will get, already for few participants yesterday and today we have shared the portal access also to you. Remaining people you'll be getting today after the enrollment. How you can access your daily sessions if you miss the session any day for your because of your busy schedule or anything, don't worry. Session will be uploaded within next 1 hour. 7 to 8 is the session. maximum by 9:30 or 10 session will be in your portal. How you can access that? Go to Google and type triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. This is our website. Once you go here, you will have live classes login button, yellow color button. E-learn is not yours, please ignore. Live classes login. Click on this. Dashboard will open, team. Input your username and password. This account credentials today we will be sharing to you by end of the day. So whoever completed the registrations, don't worry, today you will get that. Remaining people, after your registration today, you will be getting this portal access, team. Once you input your user ID and password here, once you log in, your dashboard will open, team. Here you can see your enrolled course. So whatever the course you enrolled for, you can see here, team. If you open this, all your course videos will be there. If you click on it, you can see the session playing up to the right. All sessions, topic wise, you will be able to see. Module wise, you will be able to see, team. Core HR completed, then absence module, then technical module, then payroll started for this batch, that concepts, team. This portal access, after you getting email from us with your user account and password, you can reset that password. That will be dedicatedly for you and it will be for lifetime. And then as part of this training program, you will be getting 5 months of Oracle Fusion server access, team, for practicing whatever we are training to you, the real-time live environment, whatever that you do in the real-time projects, team, that application access will be given to you for 5 months. Along with that, you will be provided for each module real-time project assignments also. How it will be means, this drive folder, every one of you will be going to get here. Okay. This drive folder, every one of you will be getting, team, by name TrioTech HCM batch materials. In this module wise, you can see the folder, core HR, absence, payroll, sandbox, security, fast formula, outbound, talent, workflows. If you go to the folder, for each module, you can see our customized materials, a part of Oracle material, what we prepared customly. These are class notes. Every topic that I explained is documented with screenshots and navigations, team. If you don't attend the session sometimes, by looking at the document, you can able to practice, team. Step by step manual materials for every module we are going to provide to you. Along with that, assignments we are going to provide to you, team. So this is one of the sample assignment in Core HR module. We will give you the scenario and we will ask you to configure. Like that, for every module, materials, along with that materials, you will also have assignments related to that topic, team. The real-time project assignments. And along with that, from the point of placements, interview support, team, resume preparation sessions will be conducted to you. How to prepare a fresher resume, how to prepare an experienced resume, what projects to keep, how HRs will filter your profile in the Naukri or LinkedIn, how to create the Naukri account, how to create the LinkedIn account, how to reach out to HRs in LinkedIn. Everything will be providing to you as part of placement workshops, team. And we do provide sample resumes as well here. In the drive folder, you can see. You can use them, prepare the draft resumes, and you can send it back to our placement team. In Hyderabad, in TrioTech office, we have a dedicated placement officer and the placement team where they will be coordinating with the students and the recruitments happening in the market team. So the placement team will guide you with the resume preparation, and then every module interview question and answers. It's not questions. Interview question and answers for every module, team. If you see here, absence module, what is the question? What is the answer? Scenario based questions and mid-level questions and fresher questions, team. So every module, we have a very structured material. That is for absence. This is for payroll. Okay. Then this is for talent. Then this is for technical. For every topics in the system, we have a interview question and answers. That too, from company's perspective. If it is a Deloitte interview, what sort of questions generally they have? Or if it is KPMG or PwC or Accenture, we have that kind of repository also available team. How we prepared all these things means I usually have a uh, pattern. Every student who attending the interviews team, I will ask them to record their interview, because by recording that, next interview when you are going, you can understand how the questions they are asking, where we are lagging. So one interview you can get easily 15-20 questions in that call. These all materials are prepared from that knowledge only. All the students when they attending the interviews, how they experienced them, that all we have consolidated into the folders here. So as part of your interview preparation, it will start with the resume preparation, interview question and answers, mock interviews. Every Saturday in our Hyderabad office, we will be conducting the mocks. People from Hyderabad, you can come to the office and you can attend. If not, from online you can attend. But you have to inform us upfront 3 days. Saturday you are planning any week. By Tuesday or Wednesday, you have to confirm the slot, because we have other people also in queue. So we will be conducting the mock interviews as well. And from our side, the interview referral will be their team. So as we've been in the market from last 10 years, we've been connected or associated with several companies team. In fact, many of our alumni, many of our students who taken training from me 5 years back, 6 years back, or 7 years back, there are many of them in the good positions in the companies right now, in the project managers, some are in the director levels also. So they will directly call me and they will ask me, we want this experienced profile for these modules, we want this fresher profile for these modules. And there are some cases where they conducted directly drives in my office in Hyderabad also. We have such kind of connections in the market as well. You can see directly team. Once after the enrollment today, you will be added to the WhatsApp community. Everything we will post after the training, once the placement activities start, all the requirements that we receive, we will post it in the community team. And then you can able to apply from that. You can even see some of the student success stories as well here, who got placed. So these all are the students that who got recently placed in different companies. And these people testimonials also you can see directly in our YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube, type TrioTech software trainings. So we can see here team, and we can say very proudly that we are the training institute in this space of Oracle Fusion who have 129K family in YouTube or other social media team. So every content we will upload here, you can able to follow. So this is a student who got two offers by name Rajiv. He and his brother or sister also trained from us. And we have one more success story by name Stravia, who is a fresher completely. With 11.5 lakh, she got placed. So these all are live testimonials. Many things you can see here. So you can also see after 10 years long career gap, how Divya got her placement. Then Shashank story you can see. So many people, and within 45 days, how a person got job. Here also you can see the student feedback. Many student testimonials you can find in our YouTube, or if you go to our Instagram channel also, all they were placed in. And also you can see in the PPT some of the student success stories when they replied back to me about their success to share with me. So all that screenshots of them you can see. And particularly freshers, I want to tell you, people who telling that freshers don't have calls, if you train also useless, there is no market currently. Absolutely, I don't agree team. These success stories you are seeing, apps associate or Covian consulting, these are in the last month recruitments only. All these are freshers team. In apps associate, we have 7 to 8 candidates selected. Prudvi, Trinath, Vijay Lakshmi. These all are from freshers background only. And Covian, from Covian, a director in Covian, who is our ex-student, they have conducted drive and they have selected close to 7 students from TrioTech as a freshers in that with 4.8 lakhs package. All these are freshers only. So every time freshers telling that having no demand in the market, if we learn also calls will not get. Obviously, compared to experienced people, the number of calls you might receive might be less. That doesn't mean that you don't have calls in the market. Absolutely, the market recruiting the freshers, but you should be trained fresher, not a regular fresher, because again they have to recruit, they have to conduct the training. It's waste of money to them, right? Time and money. So if you're trained fresher, if you have proven knowledge, then definitely companies are recruiting you as well, team. So you can see some of the student testimonials here. And if you check out our Instagram channel, we have all the placements, many of the placements across the months. You can find out here also, team. Many people are there here. So these all are student success stories as well. You can able to check out, team. And then, as I mentioned to you, the job referrals will be there as part of the training program that we are going to provide you, team, so that you can able to apply from our side as well. And equally, you should also apply in all the job portals. Whatever the way interview gets scheduled, after this program, you will be in a situation to clear the interview. And we have a dedicated support team every day morning 10 to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. We will be having the Q&A discussions over there. You can able to reach out for support as well, team. So one-to-one doubts assistance will be also there. So this is about course highlights. Now coming to the course fee and what is the special festival offer that we have in place. So we have a special discount Dashara festival offer, team. Generally, the training cost will be 25,000 plus GST. And with this offer, generally for every batch, we will provide day one enrolled offer price, team. But in this, we are giving an additional benefit worth 5,000 for this batch for the first time. What is that, team? In this early bird offer, whoever enrolling, the price will be 22,999, and we have some add-ons, team. Here I told you 5 months of server access you will be getting. That's what the program generally meant for. But people enrolling with this early bird offer for today, we are giving 2 months of additional private server access, non-refreshable. If you get that from the market, per month, people actually charging 4,000 to 5,000 per month for practice purpose, the instance, team. But 2 months additional instance worth 8,000, you will be getting it free with this enrollment. And this is the new aspect that we have included. Generally, dumps we will be providing. Whoever want to do Oracle certification, we will provide the dumps to them. The interview question and answers upfront, what in the examination that you will be getting. So worth 5,000 rupees dumps, we will be providing free as part of this enrollment. And total worth, if you see, 13,000 additional benefits you will be getting. On top of this, real-time project templates of HDL and real-time project fast formula templates. So we have ready-made inbuilt fast formula guide, team, that which we generally provide for the day one enrolled participants. Ready-made, almost 100 plus real-time requirements from absence and payroll. Directly you can use this in your projects, team. Okay, so this fast formula templates also you will be getting as part of this early bird registration. So people who registered, you will be getting the emails today from the institute about your learning portal instance and WhatsApp community link to add you in that team. So this is about the course fee and the offer price that we have for this festival today, team. So I request everyone, already our admin team dropping you the registration link. The payment link has been dropped to you. So please complete the registration by clicking that link. So you will be getting an automated email about the payment confirmation with the invoice as well. Just click on the link. The admin team posting it in the Zoom chat. Okay, click on the link, complete the fee payment, and then send your payment screenshot to our admin number, team. So I request everyone, please do complete your registrations. From tomorrow, regular classes are going to start. So a new meeting link will be created. From tomorrow, people who enrolled will be shared with that meeting link team. So I request today, please complete the registrations to get this offer valid. So this is strictly for today we are offering with this additional benefits as well, right? Now, let me go to the questions for today. Now, please tell me if you have any questions in mind. The forum is open for Q&A.
Hi Kumar, I have a question.
Anil Yadav. Yes, Anil.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Is that Oracle certification is mandatory?
Not mandatory. I supposed to cover today only. These two aspects I kept hold. Tomorrow I will tell you these two. One is Oracle Knowledge Repository and certification. Today I didn't got the time to complete. Tomorrow I will take. But generally, certification is not a mandatory criteria. But once you join the organization, if the client insisting you that they require only the implementation consultant with certifications, your project manager will ask you during that time. Then obviously you have to do that. But now to start your career in this technology, to get into any company, in the interviews time, certification will not give any added advantage to you definitely.
Uh, Meanwhile, Kumar, like, what is the exact price for
David,
that certification?
certification Oracle charging module wise, David, somewhere around 23,000 plus taxes Oracle charging. So better avoid that now. You don't need to spend from your pockets. Once you get into your company, the company will bear the cost for you. You can do during that time.
And
Uh,
one more question, Kumar, like
Mhm.
this, what presently the vacancies or the training that which we are undergoing
Mm.
is for techno-functional consultant, right?
Correct.
See, I have experience, earlier experience, past experience with
Mhm.
5+ years, and
That's okay.
presently I'm learning. I mean, this would be my latest course. So,
Mhm.
and even when I checked it, Naukri, people were
Mm.
asking minimum 5 years of
Mm.
experience can candidates they are looking taking into. So, how to
Mm.
cover up this gap?
See, that is a general posting in Naukri, LinkedIn. See, for example, I'll ask you only. If you are running a company, you want to recruit a candidate, your wish will be always, I want a experienced professional with 3 to 4 years, 5 years. But in reality, you cannot get that people onboarded like that. So you will be recruiting 2 years, 1 year, 3 years also if the subject is good at. So when you are applying in the Naukri and all, forget about that. They everywhere they will post like 7 years, 8 years, 9 years they want. But the reality is once you apply to that, call will schedule. And in your case, definitely you have a prior experience. You want to showcase Oracle HCM into that. You have to update the resume accordingly, but that I will discuss offline because person to person that is different, right? I have to understand your background story. Reach out to us offline. I'll explain you how to keep that resume very relevant to this one. Okay.
Kumar,
Yeah,
this is
Yeah.
thank you,
No
Kumar.
problem.
Joshi.
Thank you,
Hello.
David. Yeah.
So,
Kumar, this is Joshi.
Yeah, yes.
As you know that I have completed the payment day
Yesterday you
before
completed.
yesterday.
Yeah.
And do I need to do separate registration again,
No, no,
or
no.
it is
You
automatically
ignore.
done and I'll
People
get
who
on
people
WhatsApp
who
and email?
already enrolled with the payment, please ignore that link. You don't need to do anything. Today you will get the access.
Okay. Thank you.
Kumar, after this course, what are all the modules we can do for certification? Like you explained that you will tell absence management,
Certification
compensation.
or what modules you have to keep in the resume? That is the question.
See, what are all certifications that we can do from Oracle?
Generally, Oracle offering certification in this technology module wise.
Yeah.
Entire course we don't have certification. Module wise we have core HR, absence, payroll like that.
Okay.
So any one you can able to do. Generally, core HR is something everyone will do because that's a manageable or the easiest topic to understand. Along with core HR, payroll or absence, if you do, then definitely that will be a strong criteria in your profile. But core HR is what the mandatory certification everyone will do.
Okay. So after the course, we can do all the three certificates. We will get
See,
knowledge
with
to
the
do all the
knowledge
three.
that what you will get, you can clear any certification. But if you ask me, Kumar, what is the best one to choose? I'm telling you that.
Yeah. Okay. And I'm
Sir,
actually looking for time and labor also. Is there any extra course or separate
Material as
videos?
of now we don't have, but I will share some materials regarding that. If you want, I can able to help you in that way, because with this content only, it's been 3 to 3.5 months it will take. So I can't
Exactly.
fit that into, because OTL is a big module. It will
Okay.
take 20-25 sessions for that.
Okay. Are there any pre-recorded videos? So that is also fine if with any extra
OTL we have
payment.
that, but it's a very old. I'll check and I will update. No worries. You can.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Kumar,
Sir,
I'm also
may
experienced with nearly 8 years of experience I have in the
Probably.
Oracle Fusion only. Yeah,
Hmm.
but the point is that I have a gap, a knowledge gap. I mean, initially I worked on HDL loads, BA Publisher,
Now,
OTBA
now we are
reporting.
working in support projects, sir.
Yes,
That is what the knowledge gap will come in. Support projects, we will work
yeah,
on ticket
that's
to
what.
ticket. Yeah,
Yeah, that is what now I'm looking like I'm already with better package only, like the packages
understood.
that you mentioned in. But as per my experience, it's okay, decent package. But I'm looking for a high paying job,
When you
a
want to
good
switch the
product based
company, your
company.
knowledge is not sufficient to you. That is
Not
what I'm
suitable
telling.
for my experience. And every
Understood.
time, for suppose if they ask for a BIP publisher or BIP reports, in that also I don't have do not do deep knowledge. Right now I'm working in payroll module,
Understood, understood.
functional
No,
support,
it's
and
not
then that
only
also I
your
don't have.
concern. Yeah, Pavlik, I got your
Mm.
concern. Not only yours, many people like this will be there, because since beginning, if you are mapped only to testing projects or support projects, definitely knowledge gap will be there. But yes, with this program,
Mm.
I can tell for every one of you, not for Pravalika team, 4 to 5 years of experience. If you showcase in this technology also, implementation experience, you will be able to clear the interviews. The training will be that detailedly taken from very fundamentals to complex level. So you will get full life cycle of project implementation from this training. So definitely you can able to consider this, not an issue. Naveen, please.
That's what I'm already a techno-functional consultant. My goal is to get a good high-paying job in a
Understood.
product-based company. Can I
Understood.
achieve this?
Definitely,
Like
Pravalika, you
with
can,
this
you can,
program which you mentioned, can I achieve that? Will I
you
be able
can,
to achieve it?
you can, definitely you can achieve. Okay. Any other
Hi
questions, ma'am?
Kumar. Hi Kumar.
Yeah,
Good morning. I'm Divya.
yeah, yeah.
So basically, I'm a team leader in Accenture. I'm holding 9 years of experience, but I wanted to switch to IT, Kumar. So is it a right path for me? Like, could you please help me? Like, what
The
is the
team
course
leader
that
in
I
the
need to
sense,
take?
any specific technology you're working, or it's a general,
No,
any
no, no.
project you're
It's a
working?
general. It's you can consider it as an BPO type.
Managerial kind of activities you are doing
Correct.
currently.
Correct. Correct.
Definitely,
Like
you
team
can
management.
showcase,
Yeah.
yeah, you can showcase that Accenture experience only. Out of that last 3-4 years experience, you try to update that you're already working in Oracle HCM Cloud in Accenture like that. So if you portray your
Okay.
resume like that, it's very easy for you to move.
So which is best for me, Kumar? Like functional
100% Oracle
consultant
HCM
or
Cloud techno-functional.
techno functional? I need to. Okay.
Definitely, yeah. Because at your experience level, market definitely look for a techno-functional expertise from you. So if you could able to keep that 3-4 years of experience, then easily your package will become double. No worries in that.
Okay, Kumar. So we will have a we will have a recording classes,
Yeah,
right? Like
lifetime video access you
if
will
I
get.
am not available from 7 to 8 o'clock, I can
Yes,
able to watch the
you
videos.
will get, you will get. No
Okay.
worries. And
So
get
if
in
I
touch if you
wanted
have
to
any doubts.
reach out to offline, sir, how could I reach you, Kumar?
You can happily walk into the office, Hyderabad in KPHB 9th place. I will be in office every day.
Okay, done. Yeah, that
Okay.
sounds good. Yeah, thank you.
Thank
sir,
you.
may I
Hi
know
Kumar, this is
uh,
Rajesh actually.
Rajiv,
In
please.
placement support, do we have job
Mm.
support and proxy also?
That to discuss offline. This is a recording. I cannot able to address that. But we can able
Okay,
to
okay,
help you out, Rajesh. Definitely.
okay, okay.
Okay, reach out to me
hi
offline.
sir.
I'll reach out
Hi.
offline.
Sir,
Yeah.
may I know what is the last two batches placements?
You can check out in the Instagram or YouTube. See, generally 60-70% of the ratio we can see. Who is that Nikki, the person by name asking about the placement success stories. Any institute in the market can train you, can take you till the job interview scheduling part, but ultimately student has to equally put the efforts. I will tell you one thing, 100% from our side I will be able to give you personally as a trainer. Me, you will be in contact with me, same 100% efforts. If you equally keep this student, I'm telling you, I'm really telling you, this person with 3 months of training with the same question what you have in mind, Nikki, the same question he asked me. First of all, am I eligible to this? Or is there any prior success stories Kumar can let me? The same thing I told you. I told him, if you are committed 3 months, if you're able to sacrifice all your entertainments, everything, daily 1 hour class and more 2 to 3 hours of practice rigorously, if you do everyday class notes, if you prepare, and if you are ready with the subject, Kumar no need to give you the interview scheduling part also. If you drop the resume, market is ready to call you. The point is the kind of efforts we are putting. The question that we have to put in first is to ourselves. If you confidently able to keep that 3 months of 100% efforts, then definitely you can able to clear the interview. Because recruitment is going on very rapidly in this technology. There are no calls in the technology when we drop the resume. We don't have such scenario. Then what's stopping here? Obviously the knowledge will stop you. So if you are confident with that, then definitely you can able to get selected.
Sir,
I can tell you
one,
very clearly one thing, team. In the market, any other training institutes, if you take team, you can't see any testimonials related to this program dropping out in the different portals. And we are dropping all the live testimonials to you, all the placement success stories as well. So you can find out them from the YouTube or Instagram so that you will get more confidence and trust on the program as well. Okay.
sir, one thing, like I have seen a YouTube video. It is
Dheeraj,
fresher and got 11.5 package.
correct.
Yeah,
Yeah, I saw
if
you.
I am passed out of 2022 and I'm having career gap. So if I start my career with 3.5 year experience, and how much I can expect the salary, sir?
3.5 years experience means I didn't get you. You are a fresher. You are already working in some non-IT
No, no,
or.
no, no. I'm not working at all.
Hmm.
I have career gap like from
Let me tell you
2022.
that. Let me do one thing. Let me stop recording the session because the session we will upload in the YouTube. So let me stop the recording.